Hi viewers, welcome to Rasam and Suvai. Today I am going to make a soupy idiyappam. For that I have taken 1.5 cup water. In that I have added 2 tablespoons of Knorr tomato soup powder. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. Now we will boil this. This has become hot. Now I am adding a teaspoon of butter in this. Now before the soup getting thick, we'll add the rice flour in it and mix well. Do not use a whisk, use a spatula only, because I had a tough time to remove this from the whisk. Now cover this and keep it for 5 minutes. Switch off the gas. I have taken the bigger size noodles plate. Actually I have got 3 kind of plates here. One is very fine, slightly bigger than that, and this is the largest one, like a omapudi type one. I am taking this because the noodles, sorry, the soup, there are vegetables added in it. So in case if it doesn't come out properly in the smaller one, so I have taken that. Now I have kneaded the dough when it was ready to handle with your bare hand. Now close this. Close this press. My steamer is ready. Now we will make the sevai into this. This is done. Now we will cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. Now the sevai is cooked. We will remove it from the idli pot. Keep it for 2 minutes to cool down. Now with the remaining dough, what I have done is I have made mini dumplings with it. Now we can make a soup, tomato soup. I have used the Knorr soup packet for making this. You can serve this with chutney, or you can make soup, tomato soup, and put the dumplings in it after steaming the same. So, or temper with the mustard seeds and urad dal and little chili powder. So just turn it into the plate. Now keep the dumplings in it. Just share it so that it doesn't get stick to each other. cover this and cook. The tomato soup flavored idiyappam is ready here. Serve it along with soup or coconut chutney. The dumplings are ready here. Soup is getting ready. Now the sevai, coconut chutney, and you need little butter. The tomato soup flavored idiyappam, tomato soup flavored rice dumplings, that is mini korukatai, coconut chutney, tomato soup. Now we'll plate this. We put one idiyappam in the plate and few dumplings here. The chutney should be a little runny to eat the idiyappam. You can also pour soup into it. The soup and the dumplings. Little butter on top of it and serve hot. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you don't like also, press the dislike button. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.